Hello everyone. Section out the top of the hair, tie a rubber band to it, and right underneath it, make multiple more sections. At the back, make this triangular cut, tie a rubber band to it, roll it in on itself, make two braids out of it, join it in a heart shape. At the bottom, make two ponytails. Next, make a ponytail on either side of the hair and then roll this ponytail in on itself. Make two braids, join it in a heart shape. At the bottom, roll the hair in on itself and tie it up. Add two bows. Next, make two braids on either side of the hair and then in the top make a somewhat French braid, that is a half French braid. Join both of these braids in the middle sections as such. Next, make multiple sections on either side of the front of the hair, add multiple rubber bands to it. At the back, make a triangular section, make two braids out of it, join it in a heart. Next, make three sections in the front of the hair, divide the central section into two sections. Now, taking a small section from the central section, each time add it to each of the sides respectively. Next, take a section from one of the sides, roll the hair in on itself, make a braid out of it, and then pull sections of the hair through this braid as such. Make sure that you pull three sections. Now begin to braid the hair out of the sections you've pulled out and join it at the back. Take a section from the front of the hair and then add thread to it as such. Now once you have added the thread, tighten it and then use the thread as two of the sections of the hair and then begin to braid it. As you progress with this braid, however, continue to include more sections of the hair into it. However, include the sections only where there is actual hair, not the thread. Now once you are done with the sections from the front, you may proceed to make a normal braid out of it. This is what it should look like. Now, after you have reached the middle point, you may begin to add sections from the ponytail at the back as well. After this, after all of the sections are done with, you may add a rubber band at the base. Once you've added a rubber band at the base, roll it up in the form of a bun and then add a rubber band to it or add bobby pins to make it stay in place. Next, take a section from the front of the hair, tie a ponytail, make two more sections at the back as well. Make a braid and roll it up. Then, take two sections at the back, make a braid. Take a section from the front, tie a ponytail to the back, make multiple sections on the side, join it to the back. Add a bun stick to the back and roll it up into a bun. You may fasten it using a rubber band or some bobby pins. Next, take a section from the front of the hair, begin to braid it, and then continue as you progress with this braid to include more sections of the hair from the front section that you have kept aside. Once you reach the bottom and you are out of front sections, continue to normally braid it as such. Now, once you have braided it, join it at the back ponytail on either side and then release the rest. Use a bun stick on the ponytail, wrap the ponytail around the bun stick, roll it upwards, and then adjust it accordingly. Use a rubber band for it and then use bobby pins. Add a decorative rubber band. Next, make two ponytails on either side and then take a small section of one of the ponytails and begin to braid it. Now, as you progress with the braid, continue and then wrap it around. Then take a small section, add a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself, pull the other section through. Now lift it up to make it look like a bow. Let the braid come loose and then tie it up around it. This is what it should look like. Make two braids out of the rest of the hair. Divide the hair into 5 sections. At the bottom, make 2 braids, crisscross it each time and join it to the top ponytail. Then use the bun stick on the hair, wrap it around and then adjust it. Use the rubber band and then use a decorative rubber band as well. You may also tie a ribbon instead. Thank you for watching.